Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade liquid air freshener. If you are new on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe, hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you have subscribed already, we thank you so much. When you are making this homemade liquid air freshener, these are the ingredients you need. Liquid soap, chamomile essential oil, spray bottle, then bottle we are going to use for water. When you are making your homemade liquid air freshener, you first pour your liquid soap into your water in a bowl, and then you stir for it to mix very well. Then you add the fragrance or the essential oil or the perfume that you want to use, you add it to it and then stir very well. If you want to add color, you can add it. Then you pour it into your spray bottle. You are done with your liquid air freshener, homemade liquid air freshener. If you want to use it for business, you can always contact us and then we will just take you through how to go about it. Yebishie egu ye bottle. This is how we make this homemade liquid air freshener. Like I said earlier, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and then hit the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. We thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet again.